E thuolo machielo od bura mar Senet winjo bura ewi thicho oko ma etelo mar Gavana ma Kericho Eric Mutai. Wadhi ane achiel kachiel nyaka e Senet mondo wawinj kaka twak ma kamano dhi nyime.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I insist that the intention of Standing Order number 77.3 was to ensure that there is an accountable, responsible, and verifiable voting system. Mr. Speaker, sir, my learned friend, in response to the arguments we've made in respect to Standing Order number 77, has invited your attention to Standing Order number 80. And he puts emphasis on the prerogative that the Speaker has in allowing the use of electronic voting. In reaction to his invite to you to make reference to Standing Order number 80, we would like to invite you to the Standing Order that is immediate immediate before the one he has referred to, Standing Order number 80, being Standing Order number 79, which says that if MCS insist that they want to vote by roll call, then the Speaker has no choice, provided there is somebody who has objected and is supported by more than 5 people, is supported by up to 5 people. In this case, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have invited your attention to the fact that there were 18 people who are opposed to this style of voting and wanted a roll call voting. For that reason, Mr. Speaker, sir, it is our argument that the only reason why the Speaker defied the provisions of Standing Order number 79 is because there was intention to fraudulently misrepresent the votes that were cast by the MCS. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, sir, as I hand over to my learned friend, Mr. Wanyama, it is said that this system was secure. And that point is buttressed by the affidavit by the IT expert that my learned friend, Mr. Ongoya, has repeatedly made reference to. And one of the things then that come up for your consideration in our preliminary objection is this. Can we determine for a fact that the 4 MCS who say they didn't vote indeed voted? And Honorable Senators answer, it is my submission that the only way we can determine MCA, and that MCA specifically voted using his number that the link was sent to. And Mr. Speaker, sir, you will see from the audit logs that the audit log does not indicate anywhere the numbers to which the link was sent, nor the IP address of the devices that were sent. And therefore, it goes into the question of the scheme to manipulate these votes. The inverse of that, and the only way that the county could possibly say that they have an absolute answer to the question of whether or not the votes were manipulated, is if they could demonstrate that indeed the link was sent to an individual and that the IP address of that phone gadget was the one that cast those votes. Mr. Speaker, sir, to the extent that the audit report brought to you avoids by design to give you that information, Mr. Speaker, sir, we say creates a doubt in your mind. In closing my part of my submission as I hand over to my learned friend, Mr. Speaker, sir, this is our argument, that indeed there was no voting, and therefore the threshold of 2/3 was not achieved. But as a rider to that argument, Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable senators, it is our argument that even if, as my learned friend says, there is a possibility that this system was okay, if there is doubt in your minds that indeed this system might not have been foolproof, if there is doubt, that is enough reason for you to decline entertaining and determining this motion. For all those reasons, Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable senators, we pray that you reject this motion on